Alright guys, we're at the Yonke Cruise. We're gonna go check some of the cars out. The man, the myth, the legend. What's up, G? Ready for today or what?
Yes, sir. It's fucking a lot once we fucking park over there at warehouse.
Yeah. How you feeling? How you feeling today?
Insane, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Alright guys, well, shit. We're here.
Thumbnail?
Thumbnail? Oh.
And,
there's a shit ton of cars here. So getting to the warehouse is gonna be fun, but I guess I'll see you when we start driving around. There's a shit ton of cars here. We've kind of filled up the whole Home Depot parking lot, so. Yeah, this car is so sick. Jay's a legend. I love the shifter. And it's twin turbo. He's got this shit in there tight, but this thing is sick. Going to Mexico, baby. Look at that, that's America as fuck right there. Alright guys, well that was a lot of fun. We're about to show up to warehouse number 1 and hopefully don't get kicked out, so let's see how this goes. Alright, we just got to the first spot. We got VIP parking. Warehouse number 1. But everyone's rolling in, so let's go get some of that, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. What's up, Ben?
What's going on? How are you?
Dude, I thought you were gonna go to the first spot.
I know. No, I'm meeting up everyone at the second spot.
How you been, man?
Good, good. We're here. We made it. My car almost broke down. We don't know if we're gonna get back, but
at least you made it, right?
At least.
Cops already, baby. There you go.
15 minutes, I told you.
Let's see how this goes.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Unfortunately, we just had a cop come tell us off. he's kind of pissed off. So let's see how this goes. What'd they say?
I think Polo was saying that they're saying to just stay behind the white lines when you park. But they're gonna go talk to him right now and see what's up. Cops fucking raided the meet.
Can't do anything, huh? That's gonna be our fucking YouTube title.
Gone sexual with the cop.
So yeah, this dude's fucking literally writing tickets. So we're gonna leave. Try to go to a different parking spot. All right, I guess we're guilty, so we gotta go. How you feeling right now?
Sad, I feel like crying. Nah, it came out, it was good cruise, good cruise.
This cruise really showed up, huh? There's a fuck ton of cars here too.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna have to count all the cars in the drone video.
This guy is lurking. He's waiting for something to happen. We're back. Unfortunately, the cops rolled the meets. We had two like LAPD cops show up, and they were really cool. They just told us we had to park behind the white line, and no burnouts, no donuts, don't rev it. So we all followed. No one did burnouts or donuts or anything at warehouse number 1. But we had like the port police show up, which is the dudes on the motorcycles, and yeah, they showed up and they just started writing tickets. That's why we kind of moved all our cars off the dock or whatever that ramp was and went into a parking spot, because if we were in a parking spot we could hang out. So yeah, he was just kind of, he didn't want us to be there, so we started writing tickets and just kind of patrolling up and down, waiting for someone to do something to I guess just make a point. They even did like, they made it seem like they were gonna leave, and they sat at the end of the streets. Kind of sucks. It was Sunday, it's 4th of July. We weren't doing anything wrong, we're just all just hanging out. So, but it is what it is. They didn't want us to be there, so we had to leave. But the cruise was awesome. Shout out to the BackYardYonkes for hosting such a badass cruise. I can't wait for the next one. Yeah, that was awesome. 4th of July was sick. If you're watching this, I hope you had a awesome 4th of July. But I think we're gonna me and Taylor are gonna go down to Huntington Beach to go watch some fireworks and try to get some videos with the shows of fireworks. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Can't wait for the next cruise. And I think this week Rafa's Nova is we're gonna start getting the floors done on that, so look forward to that. But I'll see you guys next time.
Now I find myself.
Well, made it. We're not really parked where we should be parked, but hopefully this is enough room to or we don't get in trouble before the fireworks go off. So let's see how this goes. We got 20 minutes. All right, that was perfect. All right, America. How big? What do we say? No, what do we say? America. Say it.
America.
I think it's